Our modeling and simulation software is revolutionizing the field of pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, with rapid development of dosage forms for an economical price. We continue to further our research day by day and would like to contribute to others' projects by sharing our knowledge. This month we'll be attending and presenting at the Asia Pacific ISSX meeting, PAGE 2018, and hosting workshops in Buffalo, New York and Shanghai, China. But the fun doesn't stop there. Our newest version of GastroPlus will be released with new DDI compound model files, updated population PBPK algorithms, speed improvements, and more. Mark your calendars and save the date. DILIsym's Fall Workshop in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina on September 12th and 13th. For a full list of events, visit us online at simulations-plus.com.